Hello, friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. Happy New Year. I hope everyone has a wonderful 2025. Guys, I can't even contain my excitement right now. Yesterday, I went to my favorite antique mall. I hadn't been there in a year, and I picked out some amazing items. Now, there are some of these that are not going to be for sale. I just want to point that out. But I had to show you guys. Rick got me that, guys, that Art Nouveau mirror. And that, it's in its original packaging. Okay, without any further ado, I'm going to get started. I do want to mention we do have a sale tomorrow. Sabrina and I do. It's on her channel at 6 Eastern, 5 Central. Hope you guys can make it. We're going to try to make it a little bit of a longer sale. So, hope to see you guys there. Consider some of these a preview for tomorrow. Okay, I just now laid everything out, so there's not a lot of research that's been done. But I'm going to start over here. I got these two amazing mid-century pieces. I absolutely love the colors in this ashtray. It is phenomenal. And it is marked, but now I can't remember who it was. Can y'all read that? Something USA. Oh, California, probably. Or copyright? I'm not quite sure. So again, I'm going to have to research these a little bit more. But I saw this and I had to get it. It was incredible. Then check this dish out. This dish is amazing too. So I love the deeper red in the center. It is phenomenal. Now there are a few surface scratches. This is an older piece. This is a studio pottery piece. I'm going to turn it over and show you the signature on the back. It's dated 1957. I haven't looked up the artist yet. But guys, this is so cool. So I'm assuming somebody maybe used this as a catch-all for their keys. There's just a little bit of surface wear. To me, it doesn't take away from the beauty of this dish at all. It's amazing. Okay, this one I haven't researched yet either. Matter of fact, I'm going to move some things around so I can show this a little bit better. This was the first thing I picked up at the antique mall. I don't know what style pottery this is, but I absolutely love it. Look at this, guys. I think it's vintage. It seems to be vintage. I freaking love this. It is so cool. You know, I'm gonna look here at the bottom to see if there's a signature. That might be some sort of marking there. I'm gonna have to research this further, but guys, I just thought this was so cool. What do you see in this? Like, I see a forest and like a cloaked or hooded figure. I just think it's awesome. I think it's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I also love this. So I got this orb and this stand together. And this is shell. I'm not quite sure what kind of shell. If you know, put it in the comments. But look at this. Look at all the time that was spent making this. It is incredible. And I love how some of these shells have different, color, little pops of color all throughout. It is a big piece. And it came on this amazing stand. I love these stands so much, these wood stands. So this is how it was. That's how I'm going to sell it there together. It is so incredibly cool. Okay, so back here, like I mentioned, it was like kind of like Christmas, kind of, because Rick bought me a couple of items that I was going to put back that he knew I really wanted, which was amazing. So this is one of them. This is from the 70s, and this is a kit. It's a Hide a Treasure seed mosaic. So I did a quick little search, and I couldn't find any of these, at least not in the original packaging. So it's a kit for this, guys. Look at it. Hazel Pearson Handicrafts. I don't think there was a year. But this is to put your keys on. Let me move everything out of the way, or let me try to. It's like this little cabinet. It's all in here, guys. Is that not incredible? I absolutely adore it. I love it so much. Then I got this. I guess I was in ashtray kind of mood. I picked this whale ashtray up. This is actually Fitz and Floyd. And I had never seen one of these before. I absolutely love the flowers on it. It's in wonderful condition. Here is the bottom. Oh, it's so good. I love it so much. Okay, so back here, so we were in a rush. I'm hoping to go back soon. I was kind of going to my favorite booths and then hurrying. Normally I can spend hours and hours there. I think we were only there a little bit over an hour. But I saw this picture and I had to get her. Now look at the frame. Look at this deco style frame. It is incredible. I love this so much. Then I picked up these earrings. These are 1928, as you can see here. And they're on their original card, which I thought was really cool. Aren't they pretty? They're in wonderful condition. And this is incredible. This is an Art Nouveau mirror that, again, it was gifted to me by my husband yesterday. It's incredible. So I have a small collection of hand mirrors, and I didn't have one like this. Here is the actual mirror. Sometimes you see these and there's damage to the glass. This one is perfect. I'm going to put it back down, kind of focus on it a little bit. Well, there she goes. There we go. She is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So again, she's not for sale, at least not right now. No, she'll never be for sale because she was a gift, but she's incredible, incredible. Okay, so here, I haven't looked this up yet, but I just thought this bangle was cool. It's a vintage acrylic bangle. I'm going to say from the 60s. I'm not sure, but how cool is this? Not even sure of the material. I just saw it and I was like, that is so fun. That's so funky. So I picked that up. Then I picked up this. I love this. So this is a trinket dish, and it has this toucan here. It is like a souvenir piece from Brazil. I just love all these stones, these little mosaic pieces. They're wonderful. I haven't cleaned it yet. It's not too bad though. There was just something about it. I love it. It's kind of trash-tastic in a way. No, it's not. Those are real stones. Anyway, love it. Then I got another trinket dish. This one is incredible. This is from India. It is brass, and it's got this gorgeous enameling on it. I don't know why nothing wants to focus. There we go. It does have patina, which I'm happy to polish brass if you want me to. A lot of us don't like brass to be polished, but I would be happy to do that. I love this dish. It's wonderful. Okay, then I put this next to it because this is also from India. This is a beautiful brass mother of pearl bracelet. Look, it's one of these hinge bracelets. I love it. It is incredible. I love the dyed colors on it. Look at the inside. It's so freaking cool. So I had to pick that up. Then back here, I just grabbed this because I thought it was perfect for Easter. This little enamel plate and bowl set. Look at these bunnies. There's so many things you could do with this, guys. You could put a bottle brush tree in there. You could, use it as an assemblage base or just have them out. I think it's adorable. And there is a marking. I haven't looked it up yet. But, I mean, how cute is this, y'all? Adorable, right? Yes. Then back here, I picked up this little art glass kitty. I just thought it was cute. I like the color, and I love that it has this little pink nose. He's super cute. Had to pick him up. I love the blue as well. Okay, then back here is this amazing cookie mold. This is the first one of these I've ever picked up. It just drew me in for some reason. I think it is incredible. It looks very mid-century. I haven't researched it yet, so I don't know for sure. But she's amazing. Amazing. I love these in decor. Just saying. I think a lot of people do. Okay, last but most definitely not least is this beautiful piece of glass. So I do believe this to be Bristol glass, antique glass, Victorian glass. It has this gorgeous orange base, and kind of a pinkish frosted color. You have a ruffle top here. The best part about this is the hand-painted details, guys. Look at this. Look at how the flowers are embellished. Look at this dragonfly. It is absolutely incredible. The amount of detail and work that went into this is just incredible. I haven't cleaned it yet, just so you know. Oh, that's sticker for sure. I love this. So I paid up for it. I had to. There goes my cat. Hi, Ash. If I end up keeping this, which might happen, I'm so sorry, guys. I will sell another piece of my Victorian glass. I'm trying really hard not to add to any collections I have. So anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite item is. Again, I hope everyone has a wonderful new year. Happy New Year's tonight. Go have fun, have a drink, whatever you do. A lot of people stay home, but I just wish you guys the best. And thank you so much for all your support in 2024. See you guys in 2025. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.